The storm is coming!
Ah! This wind is so strong. Oh no! The rice is flying away! Come on! Go into the coop! Oh no! They will not listen! Jack, are you here? I am coming!
1, 2, 3, pull! Okay,
They're up!
we're ready!
Oh no! The roof is blowing away!
Do not worry. Stay away from the roof.
A big storm is coming early. Everyone, get ready now.
Oh no! The storm is coming! We have to hurry!
Grandma, we can help. We can do it.
All right, let us split up. Bill, stay with Grandma. Anna, come with me.
Bill, hurry! Let us harvest the rice!
Let us do this.
Anna, get the chickens into the coop.
Okay, Grandpa. Come on. Go into the coop. Oh no. They will not listen. Grandpa, let us use some corn.
Good idea.
Here, chickens, hurry up!
That's it, just a little bit more. Inside, go on, go on. Great, they are safe now. We have to make the roof stronger. Bring me the ropes. I will get the hammer.
Okay. Now, let us move the rice. I am ready. Ah! This wind is so strong. Oh no! The rice is flying away.
Leave it! Save this rice first! Good. The rice is safe.
Grandma, Jack the buffalo is gone.
Oh no! The rope broke! Come on! We have to find Jack! Jack! Where are you?
Jack, are you here?
There. This roof is strong now. Oh no! We do not have much time. Come on! We have to secure the other barns and the house. Anna, hold the rope tight.
I have it, Grandpa. Jack, there you are. Come on, Jack. We have to go home. Why will you not move? I am so tired. Grandma, I tried, but Jack will not move.
It is okay. Let me try. Jack, Let us go home.
Wow! How did you do that?
Good. You are safe now.
Now bring me the water bags.
Okay, Grandpa. I am coming!
1, 2, 3. Pull! Okay,
They're up!
we're ready. Well done, Anna.
Did you finish Jack's barn?
Yes, everything is ready. The roof is safe now. Now we have to secure the house.
Let us go!
Bill and Anna, close every window and lock them tight. I will make the house stronger.
Yes!
I will get the food ready.
I will close this window. Good. It is locked tight.
These boards will keep us safe.
We need enough food and water.
Tonight will be very hard. Let us stay together tonight.
Come on, eat a lot tonight.
Okay, Grandma. We will.
The storm is here.
Oh no! The power is out!
Do not worry. I have a flashlight. We will be okay.
I am scared. Me too.
We are all together.
Everything will be okay.
Oh no! The roof is blowing away!
Do not worry. Stay away from the roof. Stay here. I will stop the rain from coming inside.
Grandpa, be careful!
Do not worry. I will be careful. This will catch the rain.
Grandpa! You are back!
I am okay.
I am scared.
Try to sleep. Grandparents are here. Everything will be okay.
Wake up! The storm is over!
We are safe now.
Oh, how lucky!
Come on, eat first, then let us look outside.
Oh! Oh no! The tree crushed the vegetables! Oh no! Part of the roof is gone! Everything is a mess. It is so messy.
It is okay. We are safe. Let us check the animals.
Yes! Grandpa, the chickens are all safe. Grandma! The rice is dry, and Jack is safe.
That is good.
Come on, let us clean up. Everything looks much better.
I hope everyone will stay safe when a storm comes.
You were both very brave.
What do you want to do tomorrow?
I want to fly a kite. Me too.
All right. We will fly a kite tomorrow.
Yeah, awesome. Do you like today's story? Many more fun videos are waiting for you. So do not forget to subscribe to the Play English TV channel. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.